Today's guest project is from Chicory Corin. This teacher and mom and her kids, Cicely, 7, and Meadow, 5, love to craft together. In fact, the whole neighborhood was involved in making her project. Her motto is, let's explore and see if we have a good time. We asked her and her family about their crafting. She likes to do open-ended projects and want to bond with her kids by having the tools and supplies to create, but stepping back and letting them see what they can do. She has 4 guidelines. The first is she uses the highest quality materials she can afford at the time and also respects the materials used. Number 2, everything is open-ended. There is no finished product to compare to. Number 3, as the mom, she's the guide on the side, not the sage on the stage. It's not her project, it's her kids' ideas that count. 4, finally, she likes to keep it simple. The less materials that are used, the more creative you can get. So first, let's take a look at the coins that Chicory made with her kids. You'll see that they're all different sizes, all different shapes and textures, and they're really irregular, which only adds to their authenticity. So let's see what we'll need to make our own. First, you may want to have a book about money. You can visit your local library or go online and get some reference materials. You're going to need some air dry clay, some metallic paint, and a paintbrush, and then junk. We need junk from the junk drawer so that we can make our impressions. And you'll see here that we've got bits of chain, some broken jewelry, old toys, gears and watch parts. Really, kind of the sky's the limit. Get creative with it. So to make it, it's super simple. All you need is your hands. You're going to take some of your air dry clay and make different size balls. And again, you'll note that some coins were actually oblong, some are round, and we're just going to make a little ball and then squish it flat. And now we're going to take a little bit of our junk and we're going to make some impressions. And really, this is so much fun because everybody can make their own special currency. So I'm going to use this cool bird for the middle of this one. And you'll see in this one I used the seashell, and this one I used a pretty button. So you're going to want to let these dry overnight so that they're nice and sturdy. And now we're going to do some painting. So get out a little bit of metallic paint, and gold or silver is perfect for this. And then just dab it into the cracks, making sure that you get all the way down to the bottom. And again, you're going to want to let them dry overnight. So then you can play, and you can have so much fun with each member of the family making their own special currency. And who knows, maybe you'll get some chores out of it, or you can share them and trade them back and forth. There could be a whole game just from making your pirate coins and sharing them and trading them. So I think I'm going to make an oblong one before we are out of time by using this barrette. The texture is so, so pretty. Really, the sky is the limit. Just have fun with it.